Ron Legrand here, and I got Adel behind the camera here, who happens to be my partner and acquisitionist. And we are standing in front of a house that we paid all cash for and bought it, was it through a realtor or?
MLS.
Was it?
Yeah.
Yeah, bought it out of the MLS, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, one of the few that I was able to buy last year out of the MLS, which comes to us every single day, and we're always making offers, but whew, hard to get a deal out of there right now. Anyway, we paid $121,500 for this house, cash, and we decided to renovate it, which we did. So, unfortunately, we picked the wrong contractor. So you might have seen one of my other videos where we took you into a house and showed you all the stuff he said was done and wasn't done. Had the same problem on this house. Took him a lot longer than it should have taken him, but he'll pay for it on the next house. So we're going to go inside and take a look and see what it looks like, but it's also staged in there. I thought you'd want to see that. So let's go inside and see what kind of a crappy job you did. Okay, here we are in the kitchen. The appliances, I believe, came with the house, did they not, as I recall?
No, these are his new ones.
These are all new?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you remember what we have in these 4 appliances?
I think he was around $2,000 for all 4 of them.
$2,000 for all 4 of them?
I believe so.
Yeah, well, you got a deal. That's right, you got a deal on them.
Yeah.
Because this is not the normal double door refrigerator I would use. So he got a deal on those. This is your butcher block countertops that you've been to my boot camp, you hear us talk about. I usually put granite in, but this is a $230,000 house, and you can get this done for about a third of what you get the granite done, and I think it does the job just as well. This kitchen looks okay. We did the floors in here, so I got nothing to complain about in here. Or do I? What do these hinges look like? Oh, look at there. They've got new hinges on there.
Yeah, well, these are all new cabinets, so the other ones
So he didn't do bad on this house after about 3 times of telling him he ain't done yet and giving him another list, which is true. We did that at least 3 times.
Yep. Yep.
Okay. This is a perfect model house, 1,200 square feet. What I've done so many hundreds of in the past. I particularly think the walls are too dark, but I'm not going to complain about that. They're painted. So the staging in here really dresses up this house. I mean, it makes a huge difference in this house. And frankly, the reason I had it staged was because the rehab job was on the poor side, and then we're in a low-income area, and I thought we need to get it staged to give it a boost. It is now listed with a realtor at $229,900, and I think it'll sell pretty quickly. Well, here we are in the bedroom. Look how nice this staging they did in the bedroom here. They did a nice job. I was just telling Adel, I hope no squatter finds this house, because they can move right in here. They got everything they need. Of course, in Florida, we can get them out in a hurry. New law. Go down and tell the sheriff they're squatting. He'll come out and put them out. All right, let's go in here. Let's see what these closets look like. Yeah, they look like just like closets, nothing fancy. Anyway, they're doable. Now, I got to tell you, I still don't like this gray. These grays. I told him a light gray. This ain't even close to a light gray. Bathroom. Let's see what this looks like. Shower looks okay. Look, he put a curtain up there. How many times do you have to tell him to do that?
Well, that's probably the stagers, honestly.
Maybe it was. Probably was. Okay, let's go to that other bedroom. See what we're looking at. Ceiling fans running. The staging company put all kinds of notes around here. Leave lights on and AC on as they are now. I disagree with them because I'm the one paying the electric bill. Okay? Now, I know why they want to leave the AC on. They don't want the place to get moldy or mildewy, so I'm going to do that, but I set it on about 80, which is just as good. And that means it won't be smoldering hot in here when they walk in. And that means my electric bill will probably be about $150 less than the way they had it. So anyway, no big deal, but I just don't agree with them on leaving it on, that's all. Okay, we've got the wall hallway. All right, well, that's pretty much the inside of this house. I think it'll sell quickly, largely due to the staging. Here's the numbers. Paid $121,500. We spent about $45,000 on rehab. It's on the market for $230,000. Realtor's getting 5%. You do the math. All right. Whatever's left, Al and I split, if there's anything left. And there will be some. Does not meet my standards for rehabbing a house. I like to net at least 50 grand on them, but you know, things don't always work out the way I planned them either, but some kind of a paycheck's better than no kind of paycheck. Hope you learned something.